Handsome man. Come, let me change your life.
Excuse you. Change whose life? Do you know her?
You look so handsome. You're just like my spec. Can I have a word with you? Please come.
Excuse me, hold on.
Madam, are you mad? Is something wrong with you? I don't understand. Like, am I not a woman?
Are you blind? Can't you see that I'm with someone?
Am I a man? My dear, I don't exchange words with local fowls. Please, can I have a word with you?
Oh my God, please.
Did you just excuse me, hold on. Hold on, what is the meaning of this? I'm with my girlfriend here, and you have the mind to even insult her in my presence, and you want to have my audience.
I am not insulting her. I am just here for you. Please, can I have a word with you? I promise you, you will not regret it. But if you refuse to listen to me, she will be your worst mistake. Just give me a listening ear.
I am just trying to hold myself. If not, babe, I can't tolerate it.
Just calm down, calm down.
King,
Anyway,
I have been observing you for a very long time now. I like you. I have an offer for you. But you have to follow me. You have to come with me first. That's if you want me to change your life. If you want your life to change for good. Can I have a word with you?
madam, have you lost it? You're provoking me for crying out loud.
Calm down.
Who do you think you are?
Hold on.
I mean, who do you think you are?
Just let me hear out. Let me just hear. Just please, just let me hear.
Babe, I am losing patience.
It's okay, calm down, calm down. Let me just hear what she has to say. Okay? Please. You called my name. Hold on. How do you know my name?
Just peacefully, okay? Look, that house over there, that's my house. I bought it and I moved in a few days ago.
Oh, you're the one who just moved in.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Since then, I have been observing you. I see the way you always walk around with her. So I'm here to give you an offer. I want you to be my man. And I promise you, your life will change. I will change everything concerning you. I am the CEO of Madi International Enterprise. Yes,
Madi International?
I am the CEO.
No, you're joking.
They're looking at the CEO. I'm the one. I'm the...
No. Are you kidding me?
I'm not.
Now, that's your company?
Exactly. So I want you to be my man. And I will make you the CEO. Yes. And I'm going to give you this offer. I'll give you a new house, a new car, and an open flight to any country of your choice.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
What kind of car?
You will be my man. Any car of your choice. Name it. Leave her. Look, I am the angel God sent to your life. I'm going to make sure poverty wipes out your family. Do you understand? And for her, if you leave me for her, dude, this will be your worst mistake. I have a lot of...
Babe, I don't understand. Let's leave. I am tired of standing and watching you both talking what's... I don't know.
Will you shut up? Shut your mouth. King, look at me. Look at me. I'm here for you. Oh, yeah, look at this. I have a lot of money to spend. Where this is coming from, more is there. So now, I don't even need you to say yes now. Just accept to go out with me. And all this will be yours. All this will be yours. Just go out with me. You need to freshen up. You need to dress up to match up my class. So I'm going to give you this money.
All this?
All this for you.
This is a lot of money.
You know what it means?
You said you give me a new car.
Everything I said.
You will make me the
officially
CEO of Madi International.
The ball is in your court.
Are you being serious?
Oh, that's serious. Are you in or out?
Can we please, let's go, please. What are you doing with that woman?
Can you please shut this girl off? She's distracting us. I can even tell her to go. Let her go. Maybe you'll meet her when they are done, just to go and break up with her.
I'm sorry.
No.
I can't.
What?
I can't accept your offer.
I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
I understand everything. I know it is.
Yes, my company.
Yes. At what cost? At the cost of the love I have for my girlfriend.
What love? love is not always enough. Money is everything.
Love is everything, my dear. When money fails, love will stand by you. Love is what makes the world go round. Without love, life is empty and useless. I have known this girl for over 2 years now, and she has been the most amazing person that I have ever met. You, I don't even know you. You just stopped me along the road and you're making all these promises and all these offers. I don't even know your character. I don't know anything about you. As much as I am tempted, I'm sorry, I have to decline your offer.
I just want to tell you one thing. You see this girl there, if she's the one that has this offer, she won't even think about it.
I don't believe you.
She will dump you and follow the person.
I don't believe you.
How can you see money, riches, wealth, and you choose love over all this?
Call me a fool. Let me be a fool for love, okay? Please, take your money. I'm sorry.
Are you being serious now?
Yes, please.
Love, it's like you want me to go.
I'm sorry.
I'll start going.
I'm sorry. My love, just give me, just... Please. Look, what did you say your name is? Sunshine. Please, next time, don't be so disrespectful. No matter how much you have, you can't just see someone walking along the road and you just stop and start making such a disrespectful offer. This is not good. I don't care who you are or how much you have. What you just did is a very arrogant behavior. And because of that, even if I was single and you approach me like this, I would say no to you. Fix your character. This is really, really bad. Let's go. Come. Let's go. Leave her alone. Let's go. Babe, let's go now.
And let's talk to her.
What?
That's it.
Okay, it's fine.
What's going on here?
That's fine. King Bassey, my king. You've proved to the world, you've proved to me personally that you're the one for me. You've proved to me that you're a man. You've proved to me that we get married tomorrow, you're not going to cheat on me. Oh my love, I can do everything, anything for you. In fact, I will lie down right now so you can march on me. You're the real king.
Wait.
Stay real, Otu.
Don't understand.
She's my best friend. It was all a test. Yes.
Hey, I should have seen it. Oh no.
We planned it very well, so you...
Oh, come on, babe. Why do you feel the need to test me like this?
See,
I told you I love you.
I understand.
You don't need to test me like this. This was not necessary.
I'm sorry I went to that extent, but the truth is this, King Bassey. I have dated you for like 2 years now, and the truth is you don't really know me. And I think it's high time I show you who I am.
I know you.
You don't really know me.
It's you, Sandra.
Yes, of course. You know my name, you know my family, but you don't really know. But I think you deserve to know me today. Sunshine, my car key.
What?
This is my car.
No.
It's my car. If you must know, I am the CEO of Madik International.
Please, I'm just her friend though. I don't owe your company.
Sunshine, oh my friend. The truth is, as you must know, my dad passed away 4 years ago.
Yes, I heard the news.
He used to be the CEO of Madik International.
And I heard that the company passed on to his daughter.
Yes, I am his daughter.
You are Madok's daughter. It's me.
Not...
You are Madok's daughter. One Wales. I'm just asking.
And then, a lot of men out there, I don't know, have never found true love since I knew myself as a woman. I tried to say, what am I going to do to get true love? I thought about it. I cracked my head. Everybody coming to me wants my money. And does it mean I can't get love without money? So my friend dear Sunshine came with the idea of, let's do this, let's do that. And I came up with the idea and this is it.
Am I dreaming? Please.
You're not dreaming.
Is this real?
Okay, first, thank you so much for loving my friend. Thank you. Thank you so much, my love. I think, Sunshine, thank you so much. You did a whole lot for me. Thank you. Come here. I love you. Thank you so much for that plan and idea. So I think we have to go somewhere and sign up. Silly, my man. Use this shop. Free. Or do you want me to look so you can be free? Let's say, because if I'm not take the other side, or can you drive? Please me, my love. I should drive. I can drive me.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.